See what's going on here? See that ripple? It's coming right. It's literally. I need to put it right here. It's like coming right from right there.
You like bows? You like
If the
mows?
government knew about this, they'd clog it up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. They don't want you knowing that you can get fresh water that's alkalite, like it hasn't been processed, not put into a plastic bottle, taking away all of your electrolytes. This is what our body is, water, right? So the electrolytes that come naturally in the minerals that are in here, stuff, literally electrify your body and can heal me from all the elements and the lupus or the cancer. You get what I'm saying? And if my dog's sick, I could give it this for a few days and see if it doesn't help its stomach, help its ears a little bit, because right now it's having issues where I'm putting the stuff in. That's kind of clearing up, but it's like the frequencies and stuff. So now she smells a little like metal. She never got a shot, but they're putting it in the water. We know they're putting the graphene oxide in the water. You get what I'm saying?
You like Moe's? Moe's Southwest Grill?
Welcome to Moe's! Remember when you worked there?
Yeah. You heard me.
Okay, babe. Maybe I'll fill one more up. Half bottle each.
Thank you.